power of 16, all raised to the power of a half. So the first power rule we can use is distributing this power of a half across each term in the middle, right? So the 25 and the m to the power of 16. So we can write that as 25 to the power of a half times m to the power of 16, all to the power of a half. So what we did there is we raised 25 to the power of a half, and we multiplied that by m to the power of 16 to the power of a half, right? And now we can then simplify that further. So 25 to the power of a half, if you're not too sure what that is, we can actually just use our calculator. So to the power of 0.5 or a half, that gives us 5. So to the power of a half is actually the same as the square root, right? So these are equivalent expressions, just different notation. So we can write 25 to the power of a half as 5. And now m to the power of 16, all to the power of a half. We use the rule powers of powers, where we multiply. So a side example, you might have seen this one before. X squared all squared is the same as x squared times itself, right? That's this squared. And now that's the same as x times x for x squared times x times x. And if we group all of those x's together, we get x to the power of 4. So back to this example, m to the power of 16 to the power of a half is the same as m to the power of 16 times a half, which simplifies to m to the power of 8.